What's the date? Come on. Where are we? It's Wednesday, the 3rd of December. Whoops. Wednesday, 3rd of December 2025. And yeah, another bike ride. And today, I think I'm just going to take some photos.
I would walk for miles in the hope of seeing your face.
Ah, well, it's turning out to be a nice day. It started off very, very misty and foggy, and I thought it was going to be a bit dull. So, well, for that reason I didn't bring the drone, but that takes a bit of time, so I'm going to just take some photos. Because another thing I can do for you is not only bring you out into the countryside like this, but also have a close look at some particular things. And once you put that in a frame of mind, say, I am going to do that today, then you start to look around things a little bit differently, particularly close-ups. So I might take some shots which are sort of general ones, and then see if you can see where I've honed in at something which has got particular texture or colour or pattern to it. And those are the sorts of things I'm looking for. Otherwise I'm off to Market Bosworth, which is that way. Oh, right, let's go then. When I set off on this ride, it was quite murky and misty, which led a certain atmosphere, which was quite pleasant. And the light was such that I think a shot like this would be better if it was cropped. Soon, of course, the sun came out and I was in Dadlington when I just spoke to you. And this tree always fascinates me, as most trees do, but the bark, look, if you're getting close, quite magical really. And the cherry tree behind looks magical as well, but if you're getting close, oh look, even closer you get this. Following some enquiries in the comments, the tyres on the bike are 28 inches by 1.5 inches. And one sharp-eyed commentator noted that the chain guard had been removed. That's true, because this chain wheel on the front used to be 38 teeth, then I changed it to 42, now it's 46, and the chain guard was too small. Also, you notice I'm just wearing regular shoes, my Doc Martens, because you never know when you're going to have to get off and walk. Right, we've made some progress making our way into Market Bosworth. The park is on the left here and the rugby club over there. The rugby club has got I don't know, about 5 or 6 pictures, got a lot. It's interesting to think that all this parkland here, which must be 100 acres or more really, once was just land which was associated with the Bosworth Hall. Oh look, here's a long shadow, I like this. Don't know what's going to happen to that. Well, here I am on the gated road going towards Sutton Sheeney. Hello. Morning. And these winter trees and the wet puddles do give some opportunities to take some really nice photographs. There we go. What a beautiful day in the end. Fantastic. Well, I hope you enjoyed the trip out and you found it interesting, because not everybody does. I'm not going to dwell on that, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's quite nice to come out and think about just taking photographs and sort of what's there. I'm going to do one here actually as well. Sometimes they're close-ups, sometimes they're not. It's from just going from a different angle. Well, as I've said before, when you're taking photographs, looking for contrast, colour, shapes, or a combination of those things. And yeah, makes it something to do when you come out on a trip. But it's a lovely day. Well, thanks for watching. And I said recently, you'll see me next time. And then I said, see you in the next one, which sort of was what I'm trying to avoid saying. I know it's just a turn of phrase. It's like when you go to the supermarket and the youngster behind on the cashier, they'll say, I'll see you later. I went, why? You coming round? Or the other one, I must get this one in because others have said it, but it always fascinates me, is when you go into a coffee shop and again, a younger generation person will say, oh, can I get a coffee? And I'm going, yeah, do you actually work here? No, well, you're not going to get it, you're going to have it. The person who's working there is going to get it for you, but it's an Americanism. And I have to say, some members of my family use that weird way of saying asking for stuff in shops, but I don't say anything. It's not worth it. I'll tell you though. Right, okay, thank you very much for watching, and you will see me next time. Okay, bye bye.